Stop scrolling! Okay, now that I have your attention, I need to tell you why our brand new creative build server is unlike any others out there. So here's why. You spoke, and we listened. Here's just a few of the amazing features we can offer. We've developed a unique Nexus gaming lobby for you to spawn into when you join the server. A picturesque place for you to wait for friends or just chill before practicing that crucial base build. Why not play poker against others or get your jam on with a range of instruments to pass the time? The centralized lobby means every part of the server is accessible quickly. Claim your own plot in one of our many biomes for peace of mind building. There's unlimited instant resources, plus an F1 menu that allows you to spawn any item you wish. Use the symmetry tool to make builds faster and more accurate. Want to practice cave builds? We gotcha. Or how about learning how to build in God Rocks? Yep, we have them too. Or maybe you just want a plot with a more realistic terrain than the flat plots. It also includes the jungle biome, in case you fancy joining some of the more scary rust wildlife for your wipe. And despite the fact we give you all this, there is absolutely no paywalls as all features are unlocked for everyone. Surely that's worth a follow. Come check the server out for yourselves. Our website is below and our Discord is in the description.